Hello and welcome back to English with Confidence.
Scene 1 Classroom. Hey Arjun, did you complete the homework?
Yes, I finished it last night. What about you?
I was too tired. Can you explain question number 3 to me?
Sure, it's about photosynthesis. Plants use sunlight to make food.
Oh, I get it now. Thanks, Arjun. Scene 2 Library. Do you come to the library often?
Yes, I love reading here. It's so peaceful.
Same here. Which book are you reading?
It's about history freedom fighters of India.
Wow, that's interesting. I prefer storybooks though.
Scene 3 Canteen. What's in your lunchbox today?
Just sandwiches. What about you?
I have paratha and curry. Do you want to share?
Sure, sharing food makes it more tasty.
Absolutely. By the way, did you prepare for tomorrow's test?
Not yet. Will you help me after lunch?
Of course.
Scene 4 Playground. Arjun, do you like sports?
Yes, I love cricket. What about you?
I like badminton, but I'm not very good at it.
No problem. And teach you.
Really? That will be fun.
Scene 5 Study discussion. So, how do you manage studies and sports together?
Time management. I make a schedule.
That's smart. I always get distracted by social media.
Same here, but I switch off my phone while studying.
Good idea. I'll try that too.
Scene 6 After School. Hey Arjun, today was a good day.
Yes, I enjoyed a lot. We studied, ate, and played together.
Thanks for helping me with studies.
Anytime, Ria. Friends are always there to help.
True. Okay, see you tomorrow.
See you. Bye.